welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. Today we're gonna make a tuna stew, tuna fish stew. Nice, delicious. Okay, there are the ingredients you're gonna need. Some peppers, some shallots, onions, garlic, spices, some olive oil, some fresh lemon. And you are also gonna need some parsley and the rest. Let's see how we do this. Adding some roasted tomatoes. It just brings that flavor and some good flavor to it. So that's why I added, and also for more liquid instead of using water. That helps out, you know.